Hi, how are you? I think you're fine. This video I am going to show you how to integrate the Eversign with WordPress. So this is my Eversign account, and this is a free account, and I have created a document with your PDF file that is called the title for implement document. So if I go there, I can see this is my whole document from EU. So, and this is my website. It is a completely fresh website, and I want to integrate Eversign with this WordPress theme. I have created an account in JPR, and this is also a free account. Now I am on the dashboard of JPR. First of all, there is an option that is called connect this app with this one. I want to connect WordPress with Eversign. We can also make it alternative like Eversign to WordPress. So when WordPress will be connected with Eversign, then what will happen? Like when someone will create a new user or register as a new user in WordPress, then something will happen in Eversign where we can integrate, we can trigger another action like the updated post. That means when so I will update my post, then something will happen in Eversign. Similarly, there are more options, and there are 3 actions. If we select the Eversign from here and make the WordPress here, then we'll see the trigger is sensed. Now trigger is when document is completed, then something will happen in WordPress, like it will create a new user or find post or something. So you have to determine what you need. Do you need Eversign based activation, Eversign based action in WordPress, or do you need the WordPress based action on the Eversign? So suppose I want to set WordPress, because I want to set when something will happen in WordPress, then it will be work with Eversign. Suppose I want to set when new user will register, then a document will be found, find and download the document. So this is my initial trigger and action. Once it is done, I have to try it. You can see there is the new page. I can change the title like Eversign to WordPress. First, it is asking for a WordPress account. I want to create a new account, no problem, set to all. So create a new account. When I am clicking the new account, I can see it is giving me it is asking for some information like basic URL, usernames and password. Before going to this, we have to install the JPR plugins in our WordPress. I have already installed the plugins and activate in my WordPress website. So now I need to fill up this information like HTTPS on WP services.pro, and this is my base URL, username WP services, and I have to set password service. Once all information are added, now yes, continue. And if I go here, I can see it is processing and it is completed. Continue. So test the trigger. When I'm going to test the trigger, it is asking for some information here. Okay, continue. Now I want to add my Eversign account. It is asking for create contract or find and download or use templates in a template from a template in your Eversign account. So find and add account. I'm selecting this. We can create a contract or use template. Now I have to add my Eversign account. I want to create a new account, or I can add my existing account. If I set the new account, then I have to add access key and business ID. So let me create a new account, new connection. So first it is asking for the API key. This is my API key. I'm going to copy, and it is asking for business ID, and this is my business ID, and I want to connect it, and it is successfully connected, and I want to continue. It is asking for setup action, like give the document hash. What will be the hash? We can see all options. There are a number of options. These are coming from WordPress. So suppose I want to give the a hash like my name. Okay, it is required. We have to give a document hash. Document hash means when we will see in the URL, it will be clear to you. Okay, this is asking for a yes or no options. However, I am keeping it no. Should this step continue successful when nothing is found? No. So I want to continue, and so text there is a problem. So I am going to fix it, because in our document we have some problems. I have finished the document and it is now completed. I have completed it because to get the hash, document hash, I have completed here, and I have get this document ID, that is mean the URL ID. It is called the document hash. I have pasted here because I have set the action, that is what the action, event in action. I have set the find and download the document. For this reason, since I have selected this action, so we have to set the document hash. I have pasted and going to refresh. When I am here and test connection, I can see this is our document like here, and I want to retest and review, and it is working fine, and continue.